Hi y'all! During a busy work week, it's helpful to have a nutritious meal to go that takes only a couple minutes to prepare and requires very little cooking. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare a delicious chicken salad spread. It's a great recipe that uses basic, low-cost ingredients that you may already have in your pantry or fridge. You and your family will enjoy this protein-rich dish that is perfect to pack for work or school. So let's get started. To make this chicken salad, you'll need canned chicken, green onions, chopped celery, fat-free ranch, sweet pickle relish, and an egg. If you like a sweeter chicken salad or want to add some texture, you can add some chopped green or purple seedless grapes or apples. Before we start, I'll wash my hands with warm water and soap for 20 seconds. Start by hard-boiling your egg. Place it in a small pot and fill it with enough water to cover the egg. Bring the water to a boil, then turn off the heat and cover for 10 minutes. After it's fully cooked, we'll show you a tip for peeling hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are cheap, versatile, and full of protein and other nutrients. Personally, I boil a few eggs at a time and store them unpeeled in the fridge for up to 7 days. That way I can have them for a quick on-the-go breakfast, as a topping on a salad or in a tuna salad. I'll drain the canned chicken, then I'll start chopping up our vegetables. Next, we'll add our chicken, green onions, and celery to a mixing bowl. We'll also add our fat-free ranch and our sweet pickle relish. We're almost done with our chicken salad, but we can't forget our egg. A tip to help with peeling the egg is to shock it in an ice bath or in cold water. This will help the shell pull away from the egg and make it easier to peel. Once we have peeled and chopped our hard-cooked egg, we'll gently stir it into the chicken salad. Now, we'll mix all these ingredients together. This recipe serves 7, or fewer if you're feeding somebody like me. You can save leftovers in the refrigerator for 3 or 4 days. To complete this meal, we'll serve it on a bed of lettuce with some cherry tomatoes and some carrot sticks. You can serve it with some 100% whole wheat crackers to get a serving of whole grains. And finally, we'll have some yogurt with canned fruit cocktail. It's really easy to pack for lunch or if you want a quick and easy dinner. So now we have a well-rounded and delicious meal. So come on, y'all, let's build a healthy meal.